I'm Shirley.
And it is day 99 of our 180-day around-the-world cruise.
99 days, and we find ourselves in a Thai cooking school.
Yes, we are. And boy, did we cook up some amazing Thai food. Wow.
We're going to have to take you along because it was hot. And I mean hot.
It is hot and hot. The food was hot, and it was delicious.
Yes, very
so
hot.
Good, so good. Let's take you along with us.
Okay. So this is an eggplant.
Yeah, this one also eggplant. Can eat raw also.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is an eggplant.
This one need to cook better.
Need to cook.
We have the lemongrass, kalanga, the shinri, bird eye chili. This one wrong chili. This one after I cut. Like this. Yeah.
Got it.
And take the seeds home. Yeah. And garlic and the pepper. This cumin seeds.
Ah.
This coriander seeds.
Ah.
And then
What you making there, Shirley?
Well, I'm making a sauce for fish cakes. And it's got vinegar, salt, and sugar. And I'm melting it down.
Chopping.
yeah.
Yep.
Like too much chop.
Too much chopping. Chop, chop, chop. So now we're making dessert.
Yeah.
What is this called?
I got banana in coconut milk.
Ah, like one.
Pick one first.
Do they come from?
This one pandan leaf. Yeah,
Pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf. Can you got smell? Yes. Got it? My aromatic smell, nice. For this punch.
So tell us about all the dishes that we just made. Just this one was, the first one we started was the fish cakes, right?
Fish cake, yeah. Like appetizer, this one, yeah. Should be the dip with the vinegar, vinegar salad with the cucumber, so like, yeah.
And-
Nice too.
And then what did we cook next?
Yeah,
Then we did the mushrooms.
yeah. For this fry the mushroom, and with this steamed rice. Very nice.
Nice.
With the curry also.
Green curry chicken.
Yes, green curry chicken.
And we also did a banana coconut dish.
Yes, for this.
Wow.
Yeah, I will serve you later.
Very
Well,
nice.
that is quite a feast, Chef.
Thank you so much. It was really fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. You're a good teacher.
Me too, me too. Yeah.
Thank you.